Today, I'm going to show you how to animate on Krita, so that you don't have to suffer with the complexities of this software. So, to start off, click the New Image button. This will give you a window of the things you need to create a canvas. I set my canvas to 1920 by 1080. Click Create and your canvas will be generated. To get your animation workspace, click the workspace icon on the top right corner. And now you have your workspace. I'm going to animate a bouncing ball since it's one of the best animation exercise, where you practice squash and stretch, spacing and timing. So I'm going to draw the flood and the spacing of the ball animation. On another layer, which you can create by clicking the plus button on the layer's docket. Now it's time to animate. To create a new frame, click the frame icon on the timeline. To turn on onion skinning, click the light bulb button next to the layer you're animating on. Number one rule of animation: don't copy and paste animation frames. Always redraw or trace. set an end time for the timeline. Right-click on the timeline and click Set End Time. Now let's check the flow of the animation. It looks a bit slow, so I'm going to change the frame interval from 2s to 1s. Now I'm going to finish the rest of the animation. Remember to squash and stretch the ball to create an illusion of speed. Forgot to squash the ball. And we're done. Thank you for watching. If this really helped, please don't hesitate to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.